Okay, this is a randomly selected thing from off of the library, and I'm going to hit send. So what it's been doing is hitting 75% like that, and then just it'll take a long time, but it'll time out. It will never go above 75%. Since this started happening, the only thing that I've been able to do to get it to actually send is I did a circle. I did 2 little circles, and I set those to the machine, that I did by hand, and that worked. But nothing with any substance besides just, those 2 simple little circles. So rather than just waiting for that, let's see the machine's here. It doesn't act like it's receiving anything. Firmware is 1.2.2.0. So I can try to go back on that. But I hate to lose any updates that would have come otherwise. And stepping back over here, it did time out. Send task timed out. It says, it gives you a retry button, but it does no good. I've tried it many times. I can save it to USB and take it over there and make it work. But yep, that's that. We'll try reverting the firmware. Okay, so I downgraded the firmware to 1.2.0.0, and now try this random item again. So this is all the same as before. It should be good. Make button. Downgrading didn't fix the problem, it appears. And as far as the file name goes, it's not saved, but I didn't have any characters in it that should be a problem. And it came right off the library. Looking over at the printer, there's no evidence of anything happening. And there we have it, timed out. So downgrading the firmware did not help. Now, I know that it works because the camera was able to get this image. If I do the thickness, click the button for the thickness. Well, that's running. So it's not a problem communicating with the printer. And there it is, it reread the thickness. It gives me a different value every time. Not super accurate, but at any rate. Yep, not fixed. And just for completeness, I put the file on the USB drive. And it's going to do just fine that way, but unfortunately it's a lot of extra work.